This is it, the last one on lesson 18C. Oh, I'm sorry. Welcome back to quantitative reasoning online. To the last one, yay! So let's not punch around. Let's see what the questions say. Question 1. Use the two scatter plots to answer part A through C. The first scatter plot contains the first half of the data, and the second contains all the data. Okay, first half. Second half, all the data. Oh man, this is going to be hard. What type of data model best fits the first scatter plot? Oh, my. I have no idea. Gee. Well, it's not linear. It's not logistics because it doesn't do that thingy. So it has to be exponential. Yes, sir, Bob. And what's the second one? Ooh, that's a classic S curve. 850, so somewhere around 425 should be the midpoint. But it's exponential. I'm sorry, logistic. Seems to hit a maximum and stops. Check. Getting too much stuff here. So let's see, how does the behavior of the data change between two graphs? On the first scatter plot, the data increases by smaller and smaller amounts. The trends continue in the second half. Okay, first the data increases. No, actually right now it's basically increasing by bigger and bigger amounts, so it can't be A. In the first scatter plot, the data increased by larger and larger amounts. Yes, it does. The trends continue in the second half, the data shown in the second scatter plot. Well, no, it starts going down, less and less. In the first scatter plot, this is not true. First scatter plot, the data increased by smaller, and nope. In the first scatter plot, data increased by larger and larger. In the second scatter plot, the second half, the data continues to increase, but does so by smaller and smaller amounts. So yes, it does continue to increase, but at a lesser and lesser rate. So definitely D. Crank. All right, search the information regarding world population growth since 1 AD, as well as projected growth in the future. Video. What is an observation you found interesting? A. Initially, the population increased very slowly, but in the 19th century, 1800s, it started to increase very rapidly. That is true. It appears the population will almost double in the next 50 years. Due to increased population, there may be an environmental crisis. Population are typically the most dense in coastal regions, for the most part. Definitely is A, definitely C, and D. I'll say D is correct. So let's find out. A, yes. Let's try it again. B, yes. Try again. C, yes. Try again. How about D? Yes. All right. Don't make a mistake thinking that you're going to get a test question like that where any of the choices of A, B, C, or D are correct. So those are all items outside that was off that video. The world population video. And it looks like, okay, where the questions go? I think that is it. We are done. We have finished quantitative reasoning online. I am out of assignments to give you, except for one last assignment, which I haven't done yet for you all. Basically, it's going to be your last test, which would be due by October, the last day of the semester as per the syllabus. Or as I dictate in the video that describes the announcement for the test. So with that, congratulations for persevering and sticking through. You worked hard. You, especially at this 8-week pace, and I commend you all for that. And I will see you. And my last video for this class would be for the overview on the last test. Until then, good luck, and see you as a voice online somewhere.